Do you want to learn how to draw winter doodle characters like the gingerbread man or little Christmas trees for your journaling? Well, then stick around and I'll show you how. I doodle my gingerbread man. Hi guys, my name is Giselle. If you don't know me or you're new to my channel, I am a virtual teacher, I'm an artist, I'm a YouTuber, and an entrepreneur. You'll find tips on virtual teaching, words of encouragement, and drawing videos. If you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon and click the like button so you'll see more of this content. Now, let's get into the video. Hello. I thought I would show you my setup before I get into the inking process of this video. My desk is small and doesn't have any fancy lighting, but it works for now. I am using a lamp I purchased some years ago at Office Depot, which has come in handy for my classes and for taking videos because the top of the portion of the lamp moves in an appropriate way in order for it to light my art and my classes. I'm giving you a little ASMR sound of the clock and the opening of my pen at the beginning of this video. If you want to see any of my drawings at a normal speed, you can slow down the video. I used my sketchbook and drew some gingerbread women. Some doodlers start off using an ink pen or a marker without drawing out the sketch first, but I'm not one of those people or one of those doodlers. Just an ordinary doodler trying to share my creations with the rest of the world, hoping it brings some joy and relaxation to those who watch each and every one of them. I have a positive note, as you can see on the side of my screen, on the right side of my screen. A positive note from Dr. Seuss, again, from one of my cards my friend gave me. I don't even think they even sell these anymore, these cards from Dr. Seuss. My friend got them at a Hallmark store years ago. But I couldn't find them. I tried to look on Amazon and I didn't see them anywhere. Maybe you can find them, but they did sell them in 2013 at Hallmark Cards. I'll just quote it for you. Today's a new day, a fresh 24 hours. It's kind of like yesterday, only much nower. You can see one of the bulbs from the penguins that I drew in my previous video. I finished inking the gingerbread women, but I didn't erase the pencil marks and probably won't at this point. I thought those penguins came out so cute. Maybe that's just me. I like to draw and ink chubby penguins. What can I say? Oops, I should have moved the tree drawing closer to me. Don't even know where the viewfinder is on this phone. Sorry about that. Here I'm just inking the tree. Remember, you don't always have to color in your doodles. I am using an olive green Prisma Color pencil along with other pencils from Steadler as well. If you decide to color them in, it probably would be quicker to color them in with a marker and use a colored pencil to add highlights. You see more of my hand on this one. Oh boy. Well, you'll see the finished product. In my next video, I'll probably mostly be inking and maybe just a little coloring. Just let me know in the comments below what you think. A little bit of a slow process, and I didn't want to move the table too much by coloring too fast either. I do want to learn how to color when something is in shadow and when there is a light shining on it. It probably would have been quicker to color with a marker. Yeah, something to think about for the future. I have to think of some kind of different angle, camera angle, but I have a phone, so it makes it a little bit more challenging for that one. I was trying to find a brown colored pencil to color in the bottom of the tree, but it came out a little red. Trial and error, an ordinary artist. I have to say I do not swatch test before coloring. My mistake. I just looked at the pencils and thought they were the right color. Yeah, it looks okay. I've also doodled on Procreate too. Sometimes there is nothing like the soothing sound of a pencil on the paper. Oops, you can't see me coloring the star. Sorry about the mistake. Human error. I'm coloring in the little light bulbs with a gel pen. Picked up the wrong brown for the gingerbread man or gingerbread woman. And this is what happens when you don't have a picture or you don't swatch the colors. Looks like it looks fine. Well, next time. We'll try to lighten up the gingerbread woman afterwards. It's much easier to fix when you're coloring in Procreate. Just pick another color and boom, you are golden. Just remember, nothing is perfect in this world. Just go with it and enjoy the journey of color. Please don't forget to subscribe and check the description box if you are interested in teaching part-time or even full-time with Outschool or Qkids. Also, join me on my journey on becoming a full-time artist / doodler. I hope you enjoyed this video because there are more to come. Sorry to say that this video cut out again. The joys of an old phone. If you peruse my channel, you will see a few more videos just like this one on doodling. Here is the finished product. Stay safe and be blessed.